G2 Crowd Provisioning Honest Review Watch before using. Most people choose business software based on ads, but here's the surprising truth. Real user reviews tell the real story, and that is where G2 Crowd comes in. G2 is a software review and comparison platform that collects verified user feedback on thousands of business tools. Here's what most people get wrong. They think reviews are unreliable. G2 verifies reviewers to increase trust and accuracy. You can compare features, pricing, ratings, and use case reviews before making a buying decision. The surprising truth is that informed software choices can save businesses thousands of dollars. G2 is best for business owners, IT managers, and teams evaluating new tools. If you want honest insights before buying software, G2 is a powerful research resource. Subscribe to the channel for more business tool reviews and buyer guides. Title start T-Mobile Mobile Honest Review Watch before using title DND script start T-Mobile Mobile Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think all mobile phone plans are the same, but here's the surprising truth. Small differences in coverage, pricing, and contract terms can cost you hundreds of dollars a year. That is why T-Mobile has been getting attention as an alternative mobile service provider. T-Mobile is a prepaid wireless service that focuses on affordable plans, flexible billing, and simple setup. It is designed for people who want reliable mobile service without long contracts or confusing fees. Here's what most people get wrong. They assume prepaid means per quality. In reality, T-Mobile partners with major network infrastructure, giving users access to broad national coverage. Getting started is simple. You choose a plan, receive your SIM card, and activate it online in minutes. There are no credit checks, no contracts, and no hidden fees. T-Mobile offers unlimited talk and text plans, as well as data options for different budgets. This makes it popular with students, families, and people who want predictable monthly costs. The surprising truth is that prepaid users often pay less than postpaid customers, while receiving nearly identical service quality. T-Mobile is best for budget-conscious users who want flexibility and easy switching. If you're tired of overpaying for your phone bill, T-Mobile is worth a closer look. Subscribe to the channel for more telecom and money-saving service reviews.